au, ai tō, ai fuka kai kau kau. O ke lawai e tau lelei. Ko ke huatu ki he whiawhianga. Ai alofi e langi. Wawaki whakawhiawhia e nia. Me nuku alofa, me tonga. Ka tama tonga ko inga. Wapofanga ato e whamiri. Hoa whanga aivi, ka mai ki whanau ka tirisi. Whia me manu, taina, o mreana e malata. E maofalahi ati ka te koe te whini, Charlotte, Jordan, Papa, ka Mosirika. Inga mo whakitari ki ato mahi. E taimi na tau wheo hia i England. E ngai tapa. Mana ke parao mesi, kaha mea e hoko ke te au. Te ke toka ngai hawhani. E koe haoni, o watu e lea te tau ke te koe. Alfie Marie, e mau tokanga ke te whiti, te mai whanau te whani. O halai atu inga. Amsia koe koke, lawa e whakapue pue, ke tau e tau leni. Ke nofo, ke whawhi au, i e au. O halai atu inga. O whatu, for us chief, it is well with my soul. like a river attendeth my way. When sorrows like sea billows roll, whatever my lot, thou hast taught me to say, it is well with my soul. It is well. It is well with my soul. With my soul. It is well. It is well with my soul. It is well. It is well with my soul. With my soul. It is well. It is well with my soul. It is well. It is well. It is well with my soul.
Tala ia ho kalauni, ia vai ko sino.
Lo leo ma mo o ia. Ele ai se be o te mati vai. Na ta be I be o ia ele va mua o te o toai. Na te tai ia te o I ta tafa vai tafa le mu. Na te whafo isi mai lo wangana. Na te tai ia te o iala o la mio tonu on olon swafa. E o lava no sa vali le vado le aka le oto. O te lete te lava I se mea le ai. O wa o oe na kakasi ba. O laula au ma lo to'o a mama pana I naia. Te laula o mai o mea ai, ile la ai hoa. Ue wha au unu I le suau. Ue tau su po I na ui. E moni mai la le leo le tua.
And Vainga played here in the first 15 for 3 years, and this last year in '87, he was the gifted player in the team. And that team won the Auckland Championship, and Apollo used to be the captain. And they set the standards for a long time. They were the pioneers, the guys who blazed the trail and told other young men they could do the same. And it was amazing. Inga was our first All Black. Ours, I mean, this school. I love this school. I'm getting emotional. And I love the school, and they set the tone, they set the standard, they gave other people belief you could do it. And in the next 10 years, there was another 10 All Blacks from the school. And they won a lot of Auckland championships. They won 7 out of 10 years. And a number of New Zealand championships. And this pioneer, this man, he set the standard.
Everything he did was about bringing people up spiritually, empowering them, transforming them, challenging them, getting them to run up the hill with them. He couldn't get me to do that crazy thing you guys did. But, you know, I regret that maybe. But everything was about bringing people with him. You know, what's the next challenge? Come with me. You know, I remember that ad, You and Me, Bro. Remember that one, guys? That was one of the ads he did before he left us and went to league. It was, you know, but everything was about his Daphne and his children, his people, his community, his family. And I really love that. To me, that captures what I have got out of being a uso of this dear brother of mine, was that he was such an evangelist. He loved people. He was so passionate to see people transformed, empowered, get better, physically better, emotionally better, spiritually better, mentally better, health and well-being better, financially better, set up a new boxing program in Samoa when everyone said you couldn't do it, become the most successful boxing club. You know, that was another challenge because he was an evangelist. He got people to run with him. I ran with him on things. I couldn't help it. I was drawn to him. And I think as Ronnie mentioned, influence, you know, leadership is simply influence. And to me, you know, I just want to say this young man taught me so much. I'm older than him, and I know he taught so many of us. But he influenced me. You know, one thing he taught me, be comfortable in your own skin, Michael. Don't try and be someone you're not or someone else. You were born a certain way. You are unique. You know, that's the one thing he never changed. And that ability saw him walk through different echelons of society. He could be with the Queen of England one day. He'd be at the plantations with the kids the next, sitting down, talking to them in Samoan, his native language, which he loved, his beautiful Leo.
Attendeth my way, when sorrows like sea billows roll, whatever my lot, thou hast taught me to say, it is well with my soul. It is well with my soul. It is well. It is well with my soul. My sin, oh, the bliss of this glorious thought. My sin, not in part, but but the whole is nailed to the cross, and I bear it no more. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord, oh my soul. It is well with my soul. It is well, it is well with my soul. It is well with my soul.